Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dream Speak English, the podcast where your English dreams become reality. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Jack. Whether you're listening at home, on your way to work, or maybe just relaxing with a cup of tea, we're so glad you're here. Today's episode is all about looking forward, about imagining where you see yourself this year and how you can make those dreams come true, step by step.
That's right, Jack. I love the start of a new year. It always feels like a fresh page, a chance to dream big and make new plans. And I think it's the perfect time to ask ourselves, where do I see myself this year? It's a big question, but it's also a really exciting one.
Absolutely, Sarah. And before we dive in, let's say a quick hello to all our listeners. If you're new here, welcome to the Dream Speak English family. If you enjoy our podcast, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss an episode. And if you have friends or family who are learning English, share this podcast with them too. We want to help as many people as possible reach their English goals.
Yes, please. We love seeing our community grow, and we love reading your comments, so don't be shy. Tell us about your dreams and your English journey. Now, Jack, let's get started. When you hear the question, where do you see yourself this year? What's the first thing that comes to your mind?
That's a great question. Honestly, the first thing I think about is my health. I want to feel strong and energetic this year. I picture myself waking up early, maybe around 7 in the morning, and going for a walk in the park. The sun is just coming up, the air is fresh, and I'm moving my body. It sounds simple, but it makes me feel alive.
That's a wonderful vision, Jack. I think a lot of people can relate to that. There's something special about starting the day with a little exercise. Do you see yourself running or just walking?
Well, I'll be honest, I'm not a runner yet. I see myself starting with fast walking, and maybe after a month or two, I'll try running. My goal is to run for 30 minutes every day by the end of the year. But first, I need to buy some new running shoes. I'm thinking blue ones. I don't know why, but blue shoes just feel fast.
I love that. Maybe I'll see you in the park with your bright blue shoes running like the wind. For me, when I think about where I see myself this year, I picture myself in my kitchen. There's flour and sugar everywhere, and I'm baking something delicious.
Are you making a mess, Sarah?
Maybe just a little. But this year, I want to become a great baker. I see myself making the perfect chocolate cake, a big, tall cake with strawberries on top. I want to invite my friends over every Sunday for cake and conversation. That's my happy place. In the kitchen, surrounded by good food and good company.
That sounds amazing. I hope I get an invitation. I love how your vision is more than just baking. It's about sharing moments with friends. That's really special.
Thank you, Jack. And what about travel? Do you see yourself exploring any new places this year?
Oh, definitely. I see myself at the airport, suitcase in hand, ready for an adventure. I've always dreamed of visiting Italy. I want to walk through the old streets, see the beautiful buildings, and of course, eat pasta and gelato. I picture myself sitting in a little cafe, just watching the world go by.
That's a beautiful dream. Will you try speaking Italian?
Maybe just a little, but I know I'll use my English too. English is so useful when you travel. It opens so many doors and helps you connect with people from all over the world.
That's so true. For me, my travel dream is a little different. I see myself at the beach, sitting under a big umbrella with a good book in my hand. And yes, it's a book in English. I want to read a long story and understand every word. That's a big goal for me this year.
That's fantastic, Sarah. Reading a whole book in English is a huge achievement. It's not just about language, it's about confidence and enjoying the process.
Exactly. And I also want to be more organized this year. I see myself with a beautiful notebook writing my to-do list every morning. I want to finish my work early so I have more time for my hobbies and for relaxing.
That's a smart plan. Being organized really does give you more freedom. For me, I also see myself spending more time in my garden. Right now, it's just grass, but I want to plant flowers red, yellow, maybe even some tomatoes. I can picture myself picking a big fresh tomato and making a salad.
That sounds so peaceful, Jack. Nature is good for the soul. So we have health, baking, travel, reading, organization, and gardening. We have a lot of dreams for this year.
We really do. And I think our listeners have their own dreams too. Maybe they want to travel, learn a new skill, or speak English with confidence. Whatever it is, it all starts with a vision.
That's right. And in the next episode, we'll share some simple tips to help you turn your vision into reality. We'll talk about how to use your imagination, set clear goals, and take small steps every day. So don't go anywhere. Your English dreams are just getting started.
Bye for now, everyone.